let's look at problem solving 7A and 7B. It says Mr. Y, I don't know how to say that. Mr. Y bought 8 tickets for children and 4 tickets for an adult for an amusement park. He paid $16 per ticket for the children. He paid $24 per ticket for the adults. Which set of equations can be used to find T, the total number of money in dollars Mr. Y paid for the tickets? So I'm going to use my cubes for my problem-solving strategy. Underline the question. Which set of equations can be used to find what? The total amount. I'm going to box the total amount of money Mr. Y paid for the tickets. So I've underlined my question. I know that he bought 8 tickets for the children. What did he pay for each ticket for the children? He paid $16 per ticket for the children. So how many $16 tickets? 8 of them. And he paid $24 per ticket for the adults. How many adult tickets did he buy? 4 of them. So if I want to know the total amount of money they spent on the tickets, I need to figure out how much he spent on children tickets, how much he spent on adult tickets, then what? Add them together, right? So I know we bought 8 $16 tickets, right? So I'm going to go up and over. 6 and 8 went on a date and sat at table 48. And I'm going to multiply going over, and don't forget to add your 4. 8 times 1 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's how much he spent on the children's tickets, right? Let's figure out how much he spent on adult tickets. Well, he bought 4 tickets that cost $24 each. So $24 times 4 tickets. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 2 is 8, and 1 more makes 9. So how much did he spend on adult? So what's his total amount of money he spent on the tickets? Well, now I'm going to combine 128 and 96. 6 and 8 plus 6 is 14. Since I'm in the ones, I'm going to regroup to the tens and keep my 4. 9 and 1 make a 10, plus 2 more make a 12. Regroup to the hundreds, and 1 and 1 makes 2. Whoa, he spent $224 going to the music park. So let's see, which one of these shows what we did? And we did circle, box, nothing to eliminate, and we solved. Did we do 16 times 8? Yep, that was our 8 tickets that are $16. Do we have 4 groups of 24? Yes. And then do we add them? Absolutely. A is our possibility. Did I do 6 plus 8? No, that one doesn't make sense. Did I do 8 times 4? Why would I multiply the children's number of tickets to the adult number of tickets? No. Did I do 16 times 8? Yep, I had 8 groups of 16. Did I do 24 times 4? Yep, I did 4 groups of 24. But then did I subtract them? That's not going to help us find the total. So our answer is A. All right, 17B with me, please. It says a coach bought 5 baseball bats and 4 batting helmets for his team. For each baseball bat, he paid $25. That's a really cheap bat, huh, guys? For each batting helmet, he paid $20. Which set of equations can be used to find D, the total amount of money in dollars he paid for the bats and helmets? So we're going to use our problem-solving strategy. All right. Which set of equations can be used to find D, the what? The total amount of money in dollars he paid for the bats and the helmets. We want the bats and helmets, not just the bats or the helmets. All right. I know that for each baseball bat, he paid $25. Well, how many bats did he buy? 5 baseball bats. So he bought 5 of those. For each batting helmet, he spent $20. Well, how many helmets? 4 helmets. All right, so let's find what he spent on all the bats. He spent $25 and he bought 5 of them. So that's 5 groups of 25. Well, I can go up and over, or we can practice counting 25s, which are quarters. You know how to count quarters. Ready? 25, 50, 75, 100. 125. So that's 125. And then we bought not just bats, we bought helmets. We bought 4 $20 helmets. Well, we also know how to count by 20s 4 times. Again, if you need to, you can go up and over, but let's practice counting by 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80. Count with me. 20, 40, 60, 80. All right, so that's how much you spent on bets, and that's how much on helmets. But how do I know the total amount? We're going to combine. We're going to add 125 to 80. Remember, keep your place value lined up. 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 and 2 makes a 10. I'm going to regroup to my hundreds. 1 and 1 makes 2 hundreds. How much total money did he spend? $205. What a sweet coach that was. So we did circle, underline, box, eliminate, and solve. Now we're ready to look for our answer. Do we do 25 plus 5? Nah, he didn't spend $5 more on anything. Oh, sorry, that should be an X, not F. Do we do 5 times 4? Why would we multiply the amount of helmets to the amount of bats? Do we do 5 groups of 20? Oh, no, we only did 4 groups of 20. They almost tricked me there. Did I do 5 groups of 25? Yep. Did I do 4 groups of 20? Yep. And then did I combine to find the total amount? Absolutely. So your answer is J. All right, we're moving on now to skills.